Let the bass go. Man, them boys is crazy.
Okay, the Sunkey Modchip comes with two extra thin ribbon cables. One is for attaching the configuration board, and the other one is for programming the chip externally. Most people are not going to bother installing the external programming ribbon cable, so we will not be showing you how to install that today. So, to install the configuration board, you slide one ribbon cable into the red connector. It just slides in, and the other end goes into the configuration board. Next, take your chip and slide the ribbon cable from the Wii into the side that says W in. So it just slides in there and clips down. It should clip down with minimal force. The next step is to tape the chip down. You can use the adhesive 3M strip that comes with the chip, and just tape it down like that. Next, it's a good idea to run the cable so it exits over the USB ports of the Wii. For this, just use some electrical tape. So you can fold it something like that. And then you can fold it out there, so then as you can see, it will run out over the USB ports when the cover's on. And you can stick that down as well, just to keep it tidy. Doesn't matter if it's a bit messy. Next, take the fat ribbon cable that comes with the chip and slide it into the clip that says DVD out. Again, it should clip down with minimal force. And take the other end of the cable and clip it into the DVD drive. And then take the power cable and just push that back into place. Now, when you lie the DVD drive back down, just make sure you tuck the power cable underneath the plastic where it came from. Otherwise, the drive will not lie flush. Okay, at this stage, you can, if you have a backup game, you can plug it all together and make sure the backup game works. If the backup game is all working properly, you can now assemble your Wii back together. And just to show you, when you put the cover back on, the cable runs out just above the USB ports on the back of the Wii. You can now follow the tutorial for reassembling the Wii. And after it's assembled, you can stick your configuration board just on the outside of the Wii, just about there, and you can now externally change the configuration of these switches according to your preferences.
Let the bass go. Man, them boys is crazy. It gots to be funky.